Good morning, student. This is Shailesh Kumar, and now we are on the channel Think Math with Shailesh to learn the new chapter that names set. In this video, we will learn the basic ideas regarding set, and also we come to know the membership concept of the sets. So, we will start the chapter set on the condition that you people will watch the video till end, otherwise you will miss the concept in this topic. Good morning, student. In this video we are going to learn how to specify the given statement of set in roster form. What is the roster form? A roster form is that form in which the element of the set are written within the braces and separated by commas. It means when we represent the elements in their actual form, that is called their roster form. So let us come for the first statement. The set of the odd numbers less than 15. Now odd number are those which are not divisible by 2. So if we start counting from 1, that 1 is the first odd number, after that 3, then 5, then 7, after that 9, 11, 13, then 15. But here in the statement we have to write only those elements which are less than 15. So we will not write 15 in our answer. So we write our answer just like this. So firstly I will give the name to the set A. If it is, now first number is 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now this is the answer. Now the second question is the set of letters in the word satellite. Now this word is being given here. Whenever we are going to make the set, we represent every element once in the set. So I will give name to the set B and start from S. The first letter is S, then comma, after the letter A is different from S, then T is also different, then E is also, now L is there. Now you see L is repeating, but in the set form I will not writing the repeating let alphabet. After that I, then T. T is already being written, so I will not give any space in the repeated way for the T and E also. So I will close the braces of the set. This is the required roster form for the word satellite. Now the next question is the set of 3 months of the year. Here you can write any 3 months name in the set. So it depends upon you. I will write set C, that is equal to May, June and July. Dear student, you can write any other name also, it depends upon every student, but I have written only these. Okay. Now the given question is the set of letters in the word pencil. The word pencil, I will take this the set D. Now the first letter is P and after that E, then the next one is N, then C, after that I. You see P, E, N, C, I all are different, and in the end L. Here you will see that we have written all the alphabets from the letter pencil. So the set of letters you may see all are different, therefore I have to write all the letters in the word pencil. Okay. Now the set of multiples of 7 less than 100. Now what are the multiple of 7? Multiple of 7 means 7 multiply 1, 7 multiply 2, 7 multiply 3, 7 multiply 4, 7 multiply 5, 7 multiply 6, 7 multiply 8, 7 multiply 9, 7 multiply 10, 7 multiply 11, 7 multiply 12, 7 multiply 13, 7 multiply 14. You see, the answer for 7 multiply 14 is 98. And if I multiply this with 15, then what will happen? The answer will be 105. So I will not write that answer. So my required set is this. I will name it E. Now I will write the exact value for this. E 7, 14, 21, 7 4 28, 35, 42, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91 and 98, and I will close the braces. Now the set of colors in a rainbow. Now you know a rainbow is there in which is having 7 colors. What are we have to write the name of those color? As we know, all the colors in the rainbow are different. So I will write the name in the braces. Violet, indigo, indigo, blue, red, green, red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two more are there, yellow and orange. Yellow, orange. Now the set of vowels in the word India. I will give the name to the set G. Now in India, the first alphabet is I, then N, then D, then I is repeating, but in the set form I will not write I again, so I will finish this by writing A. So this is the set for the words for India. But as per the question, we have right to the set of just vowels. Now which are the vowels? Now this is our question. Here you can see that we have choose just vowels, and what are the vowels? I and A are the vowels. So I and A are the vowels. This is my answer. Okay, this is just for explanation. Now the question is the set of first four multiples of 9. It means 9 multiply 1, 9 multiply 2, 9 multiply 3, 9 multiply 4. Now the answer is 9, 18, 27 and 36. So this is my answer. Now the next one is the set of all days of the week beginning with the letter S. Now you know all the days. The first one day is Sunday and other is Saturday. So I will choose only those which are beginning with the letter S. I will name this set J, and in this way we have learned how to write the given statement in the roster form. Now we go for all the question from starting which we have solved in this video. So you can see. So student, in the next video we will solve the question. Those will be related to the set builder form. Okay, so for that video and to learn more things about set, please subscribe Think Math with Salesh.